Today, I'm here with David Servos, Director of Sales, Consumer Solutions Group. We are here at our beautiful, newly built showroom in our headquarters located in Toronto. So Dave, please tell the viewers what Sharp has been up to.
Well, Jena, we continue to build on Sharp's decades-long legacy in the major and small appliances in domestic, European, and Asian markets. Sharp is eager to extend the knowledge and expertise to consumers across Canada by launching a whole new line of cooking and cooling appliances aimed at kitchens where space is a premium. The housing market has really changed over the years, with real estate going more vertical, as well as larger family homes being built that will accommodate multi-families. We wanted to focus on these smaller spaces, such as condos, apartments, and lofts, or a second kitchen in a traditional home with an affordable premium option.
I truly love that Sharp appliances have discreet branding that allows customers to mix and match with other stainless steel appliances. What other feature makes our appliances so unique?
One that we're really proud of is our cooktops, which can become the ultimate workstation. Included accessories can be placed on either side of the cooktop or attached magnetically on the sides. The rubber feet protect your countertops too, so the accessories can be used almost anywhere as a hot plate, or the removable dishes can be used as a spoon rest or for your ingredients. Additionally, we offer an innovative pedestal system that's designed for easy installation and includes 2 stainless steel push-open storage doors that can be customized with front panels to integrate with your existing kitchen decor. Seamlessly, they fit into a 24-inch standard cabinet opening. Together with your microwave drawer's sleek low-profile design, the pedestal will complement any kitchen style.
With all these thoughtful features, I can truly say that Sharp appliances were designed for your dream kitchen and with you, the viewers, in mind. Thank you, Marc and Mandy.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.